Hello, welcome back to my channel Problems and Solutions. Let's start. Social Science 40 MCQ. First question. Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy, War and Negotiation Policy, Divide and Rule Policy, Doctrine of Lapse Policy. Your answer is answer number A, Blue Water Policy. Next question. Salbai Agreement was signed to end the First Anglo-Mysore War, First Anglo-Maratha War, First Anglo-Sikh War, or First Carnatic War? Answer B, that is First Anglo-Maratha War. Next question. Faujdari Adalat is Civil Court, Revenue Court, Criminal Court, Consumer Court. What will be your answer? Answer is C, Criminal Court. Next question. Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Lord Wellesley, Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Ripon. Answer is A, Wellesley. Okay, next question. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Vivekananda, Narayan Guru, or Dayanand Saraswati? Answer is D, Dayanand Saraswati. Next question. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi revolted against British due to subsidiary alliance, war and negotiation policy, divide and rule policy, doctrine of lapse policy. Answer is D, doctrine of lapse policy. Next question. Rajbihari Ghosh and Madam Kama are the leaders of revolutionaries, moderates, radicals, or extremists? Answer is A, revolutionaries. Next question. The founder of Indian National Congress is Mahatma Gandhi, A.O. Hume, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, or Gopal Krishna Gokhale? Answer is A.O. Hume. Next question. Forward Bloc was founded by Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Answer is B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. Lala Rajpat Rai was killed during Jallianwala Bagh massacre, or the protest against Simon Commission, non-cooperation movement, or salt satyagraha? Answer will be answer B, the protest against Simon Commission. Next question. Mahattank and Kalaram temple movements were organized to protest against the practice of untouchability, visit of Prince of Wales, proposal of Cripps mission, or arrest of Gandhi at Dundee? Your answer is yes, practice of untouchability. Answer number A. Next question. The word added to preamble through 42nd Amendment of the Constitution are Republic and Democracy, Socialist and Secular, Sovereignty and Democracy, or Regional and Secular? What will be your answer? Answer number B, Socialist and Secular. Next question. Chennamma revolted against the British from Mysore, Kittur, Belagavi, or Chitradurga? What will be the answer? Answer is B, Kittur. Isn't it? Next question. Lokpal and Lokayukt are set up to check regional imbalance, corruption, communalism, practice of untouchability. Answer is B, corruption. Next question. The Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates free and compulsory education, uniform panchayat institutions, social justice and welfare of people, or establishing international peace and cooperation? Your answer is yes, D, establishing international peace and cooperation. Next question. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, India and China, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Which one? Answer is yes, answer number A, India and Pakistan. Tashkent Agreement between USSR and India. Okay. The USSR is the head, supported that the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan. For that purpose, USSR had supported. Okay. Next question. Human Rights Declaration was adopted on December 10, 1948, December 15, 1949, March 10, 1950, or March 15, 1952? Yes, answer is A, December 10, 1948. Next question. The cabinet of UNO is General Assembly, Trusteeship Council, Security Council or Secretariat? Answer is C. Security Council. Next question. The chief architect of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi? What is your answer? That is answer A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chief architect of our Indian Constitution. Okay, next question. The book The Republic was written by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx or Auguste Comte? Yes, your answer is B. Plato. Next question. Karnataka State Rayata Sangha was founded by Rudrappa, Basavalingappa, M.D. Nanjudaswamy or N.D. Sundaresh? Your answer is C. M.D. Nanjudaswamy. Okay, next question. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2007, 2008 or 2009? Yes, your answer is A. 2006. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is Anaimudi, Aramakonda, Guru Shikhar or Nilgiris? What will be the answer? The answer is B. Aramakonda. Okay, next. Drash near Kargil is prominent for lowest recorded rainfall in India, highest recorded temperature in India, lowest recorded temperature in India, highest recorded rainfall in India. Answer is yes, lowest recorded temperature in India. Why? Because Dras is in our Jammu and Kashmir area. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir is hilly area, that means mountain area. There is too much cold and snowfall was also there. Dras is near Kargil, so it is the lowest temperature that place. Okay, next question. The black soil is derived from crystalline rocks, basalt rocks, granite or coal? Your answer is yes, basalt rocks. Answer B. Stilt-like roots are found in equatorial forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest or mangrove forest? Yes, your answer is D. Mangrove forest. Next question. The west-flowing rivers of peninsular plateau of India are Mahanadi and Krishna, Tunga and Bhadra, Narmada and Tapi or Kaveri and Palar? What will be the answer? Yes, answer is C. Narmada and Tapi. Next question. Shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of commercial farming: intensive farming, irrigation farming or subsistence farming? Yes, your answer is D. Subsistence farming. The gateway of India is Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. What will be your answer? Yes, answer D. Mumbai. The gateway of India is Mumbai. Next question. The iron and steel industries under private sector among these is Ispat Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Vilai Steel Plant or Salem Steel Plant? What will be the answer? Answer A. Ispat Steel Plant. Okay, next question. One of the measures of preventing coastal erosion is construction of dams across the rivers, restrict sand mining in coastal areas, avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs, construction of high-rise buildings. What will be your answer? Yes, answer B. Restrict sand mining in coastal areas. Next question. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar, Mangaluru Samachar, Bengaluru Samachar or Mysore Samachar? Oldest newspaper, still it is there. That is Bombay Samachar. Okay, next question. Answer number A is your answer. Okay, next question. The port situated in the Union Territories of India among these: Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Ennore, Port Blair? Answer is yes. Union Territories, that means it belongs to Port Blair. Answer D, your answer, that is Port Blair. When national income is divided by total population, we get gross national income, per capita income, standard of living or life expectancy? Yes, your answer is B, per capita income. Next question. Ashriya Yojana was implemented to provide employment for unemployed people, shelter for the shelterless people, agricultural land for landless people, school for illiterates. What will be the answer? Answer is B, shelter for the shelterless people. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, 63rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963, 53rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1953, 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1973. What's your answer? Answer is A. Okay, next question. Account holder can withdraw or deposit number of times in a day in this type of account: savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. What will be your answer? Answer B, current account. National savings certificates are issued by post offices, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, or land development banks. Yes, answer is post offices. Answer A. World Consumer Day is celebrated on 15th March every year, 14th February every year, 14th November every year, or 15th August every year. It would be answer A, 15th March every year. Last question, that is, the Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986 or 1996. What will be your answer? Answer C, that is 1986.